Thousands of firefighters from all over the country are in Hoover this weekend for the annual Firefighter Challenge.
Yeah, so they are competing, showing off their skills, and working to take home the title. As WVTM 13's Aaron Llewellyn found out, the job is a whole lot more difficult than it looks.
Thousands of firefighters putting their skills to the test at the 2023 Firefighter Challenge.
I love that we get to come out and kind of show that passion through our dedication to training and going through all the motions of the course.
Nice effort.
And it's not as easy as they make it look.
You've got a lot of dedicated firefighters out here. We're training on our off days to get ready for these events. It's just a different mentality to come out here and do things that a lot of people don't want to because it is challenging.
So the cool thing about this is that a lot of people don't know what firefighters do on a regular basis. So for some, this is their first time seeing it in person.
Being married to a former firefighter, you stress about the work that they do and the line of work that they do, but to see an event where they're actually doing something and they're showing off their passion.
Walker's husband worked with the Hoover Fire Department for 22 years.
These are top-notch guys here. I was not in this great a shape to do this kind of a challenge when I was a firefighter.
And even though Quintel Walker retired from the department, he says the brotherhood is like family. And showing the guys support is important.
They work hard to come out here and do this challenge. This is something that they get up, eat, breathe, and sleep this kind of stuff.
And that was Aaron Llewellyn reporting.